What is going on, guys? Logan here for a new video, and today I'm going to be talking about an issue that a lot of Mustang people have been having, and it's actually not just a Mustang issue. It's a Fusion, F-150, Explorer, any kind of Ford vehicle before 2014, I believe, that has the no-cap fueling system where it doesn't have like a secondary no-cap on it. Pretty much the sensors are getting dirty, and it's not allowing for the metal door to close all the way, so it's not allowing for a good seal. Now, one super important note that I'll make is that you want to make sure that this is the real issue, that it's just the door is not getting a good seal. So get under your car, make sure that none of the fuel lines are melted to your exhaust, because that's one thing I read in a bunch of the Mustang forums, is that once the fuel lines somewhat get melted onto your exhaust, it could throw that code. So just get under there, make sure that none of your lines melted on. I already did that, so I'm good. Now, how my code was thrown is I was actually driving down a really dusty road, and then all of a sudden the message came up, and I had no idea what it was. I got out, checked the fuel door, made sure it was good, which it was, and I was just really confused. So I went to a few different Mustang forums, and they told me to try like a WD-40 trick, but what I actually did, I went out and bought a can of Seafoam. It's the Seafoam injector cleaner spray, so I have that right here, and I just got some compressed air just to try to be safe, try to do as much as I can to really clean that sensor and allow the door to have a really good seal. Now, as far as another thing you'll need this little plastic funnel that came with your car. It's actually in your spare trunk area. You'll just use that to just push that little metal door open and close, just to allow there to, just to try to clean that door and to clean around it to get the best seal you can. Now, for the first thing, I'm gonna take this compressed air, get all up in here, spray as much as I can. Just spray as much dirt as you can, just to get it as clean, and then you're gonna wanna go ahead and take this little funnel, just shove it in and out a few times. I know, it's kinda weird. Now, while it's in there, I'm gonna take some of the Seafoam, spray around it, just to try to get some of this stuff, get as much dirt as I can away. Take this thing out. Let's go ahead, spray some more Seafoam in there. Then take the funnel again, shove it in and out. Now, for me, a check engine light actually came on after 2 days of me driving it, so it wasn't just the check fuel inlet, it was the check engine light and that message. So I'm gonna go ahead, clear it on my OBD2 scanner, and this thing is actually really, really useful. Only 20 bucks on Amazon. I bought it, I've used it multiple times, so if you want one, just go ahead, I'll leave a link in the description below. But to clear this code, you're gonna have to use either an OBD2 scanner or unhook your battery for about 20-30 minutes to allow your check engine light to go away. Now, last time I cleared the code, it came back after, I'd say, 3-4 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this and see if it works. Okay, so I went ahead and drove my car for about 10 minutes. The code never came back, so it worked. So this is an awesome fix for your car. Makes it where you don't have to spend, 200 bucks getting your entire fuel neck replaced. I was talking to actually my buddy. He was saying it would cost about 200 to 250 bucks to replace it, because the actual fuel neck's about 100 bucks, and then it would take about an hour and a half of labor. So hey, save yourself 200 bucks. Go out and buy a $8 can of Seafoam or whatever injector cleaner you want. Compressed air, I don't think was absolutely necessary. I just did that because I just wanted to be safe. I just wanted to make sure that I tried everything in case it didn't work. But another easy fix. I really hope I was able to calm some of y'all down as far as if you're scouring YouTube and the internet trying to find out what's wrong with your car. It might just be something as simple as this, but get under your car, make sure none of your fuel lines are melted, and then if they aren't, go ahead and do this. If you did this and it actually worked for you, comment down below. I just want to know how many people I'm helping. But guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.